Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and please leave your comments. First of all, I want to say thank you so much for all the support you have given me on this channel. I really do appreciate it. I'm forever in your debt. Thank you so much. Okay, y'all. The Georgia runoff is today. So, will the Democrats take control of the Senate? If they do, they will have control of the Senate, the House, and the White House. Joe Biden said yesterday in his speech in Georgia that if the Democrats take control of the Senate, the $2,000 stimulus checks will go out. We thought that it would just be a check for the difference between the $600 and the $2,000, which would be a $1,400 check. But Joe Biden said that the $2,000 checks will go out. So that tells me we'll be getting $2,000 checks. But if the Mooch Man stays in power, you can kiss that $2,000 check goodbye, because he won't let it happen. So that's why it's very important that the Democrats do take the 2 seats that are needed in Georgia. If not for any other reason, it's just so that the American people can get the help that they need. We the people need to end the struggle, the stranglehold that the Mooch Man has on the American people, and vote him out of power today by voting Democratic in Georgia today. If the Democrats take control today, we can put an end to this old relic Mooch Man. We can put him out to pasture where he belongs once and for all. Now, can Joe Biden do this with the $2,000 stimulus checks? We hope, we pray, but don't hold your breath. It ain't done yet. Is this a campaign promise to help the Democrats in Georgia? I hope he can pull it off, but we'll have to wait and see. I know he wants to, but wants and can is 2 different things. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about Joe Biden? And will we get rid of the Mooch Man? Let me know what you think about that. Then, late yesterday evening, Donald Trump Jr. had his little speech. Y'all, I'm sorry. I've tried to cut this down the center all I can, but I have to let you know how I feel about this. Donald Trump Jr., his little speech was just pure nauseating. I pray he never decides to run for office. He sounds just like his daddy. Then President Trump takes to the stage. Time he walks on stage, he started saying stuff like, he won the election and it was rigged. Y'all, he won't give this up. He won't stop lying to himself. He lost the election. And then he continues putting that big wedge in between him and the media. Just more of the same Trump. Yeah, the media is a fake media source, and they are biased. I agree with that. They always have been, always will be. But he's wedging that wedge in deeper and deeper. He's brought all of this hate on himself. He went on to say that Mexico is still going to pay for the wall. Really? He says if he's in office, they would pay for it. Well, Mr. Trump, you're in office now. Why aren't they paying for it? Y'all, at that point, I had to turn it off. I just had all of it I could take. Will the Democrats and the Republicans work together? I think they will, because I think the biggest thing that's holding them apart is Donald Trump. He's a perfect person at putting wedges between him and anything. He's put the wedge in between him and the media. He's put the wedge in between him and the House. And he put the wedge in between him and his own Republican Party. He only has himself to blame. Mask. Let's talk about mask. Y'all, I seen this on both sides. Joe Biden and Donald Trump. When they took the stage, I seen thousands of people without masks on, hollering and screaming and shouting, and they was just this close to each other. Now, if either party, Joe Biden or Donald Trump, is really sincere about getting past this COVID pandemic, they could demand at their rallies people wear masks or don't be there. But they didn't do that. I've seen thousands of people without masks on, that close to each other. Makes no sense. Y'all, I've talked about this all this week, and I'm going to continue to talk about it for a few more days. Scams. People are using email, they're texting you, they're calling you saying that they can help you get your stimulus check faster. Y'all, this is a scam. Nobody can help you get your stimulus check any faster than you're going to get it. You can help yourself by, if you've changed your address, go to United States Postal Service and change your address there, and they will forward it to you if it's coming in as a check. They said if you hadn't got your direct payment by Wednesday, most likely it's coming in the mail with a check. Be sure and watch your mailbox every day around the time that your mail normally runs. Don't let that check sit in your mailbox. People are looking for opportunity right now, and they will not think a second thought about stealing your check and cashing it and leaving you without. Y'all, the only way we can get rid of the mooch man is vote Democrat in Georgia. Let Democrat take those 2 seats that they need in Georgia. I mean, the mooch man will still be in Congress, but he will lose so much power, and I really don't think he will be the leader of the Senate anymore. He will still be there. He will still have some power, but not nearly the power he has right now. Right now, he has more power than the president. I just can't understand that. We elected the president that we wanted at the time. Why don't he have the final say? But the mooch man has the final say. Something's wrong with that picture. Y'all, let me know in the comments what you feel about all of this. And please don't hold back. Use my comments as your sounding board. Get it off your chest. Say whatever you feel, and as hard as you want to feel. Put it out there. Don't be scared that you're going to hurt my feelings or anyone else's feelings. Just use this video as your sounding board. I will ask you not to use foul language because that could get us all in trouble with YouTube. But still, you can let it out there. Don't be scared to hurt my feelings. Let us know how you feel. Y'all, please watch the video popping up here now. Keep your faith in Jesus Christ. He will get us through all of this garbage, and I don't think it's going to be that much longer. We got just a couple more weeks. Joe Biden will be taking office, and hopefully we'll get another $2,000 stimulus check. Y'all take that to prayer. Maybe we can get that. I love you all. Until next time. Ciao.